Hello and welcome. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I am Lovely. This is a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. Today, we talk about a feeling we all know well. We talk about waiting. Yes, waiting. Sometimes we do not like to wait. We call this idea the art of waiting, finding value in the pause. I invite you to stay with me for a few minutes. We will explore this idea together using slow, simple English. The world feels fast. Everything moves quickly. We rush to the next step. We want quick answers. We want fast results. Because the world is so fast, waiting can feel like a problem. When we must wait, we often feel frustration. We think that this time is wasted. We think that if we are waiting, we are not moving forward. But I want us to pause our thinking for a moment. Let us change this idea today. Waiting is not wasting time. Waiting is a pause. Think about that word, a pause. A pause is a necessary stop. A pause is a time to breathe deeply. In our fast lives, we often need a pause, a moment to slow down. The time you wait is not empty time. It is a moment for preparation. It is a moment for focus. Waiting allows you to catch up with yourself. It allows you time to understand what you need. Sometimes we wait for a big positive change. Maybe you are waiting for a job opportunity. Maybe you are waiting for a new beginning. You might feel impatience. You want the good thing now, right now. This is a very natural feeling. But the wait is part of the story. Think about learning English. You want to speak English perfectly and quickly. This skill requires waiting. It requires practice. The time you spend waiting for your English level to increase is the time you use to listen. It is the time you use to practice reading. The waiting time is active time, if you choose it to be active. Waiting makes us stronger because it teaches us a very important power, patience. Patience is the understanding that some good things take time. Patience means we trust the process. When you wait, you can stop focusing only on the future result. Instead, you can focus on the present moment. You can focus on the now. The pause gives you space to reflect. To reflect means to think carefully about something. Do not think of waiting as stopping. Think of waiting as silent growth. Waiting is time when important changes are happening slowly underneath the surface. Like a plant growing deep roots before it shows beautiful flowers, the waiting is essential. When you have an unplanned pause in your day, try not to be annoyed. Maybe you are waiting in a long line at a shop. Maybe you are waiting for a slow bus. Do not pull out your phone immediately. Instead, use that moment as a quiet gift. Look around you. Notice the small details of the world. Notice the sounds, the light. Look for things you usually miss because you are rushing. This is simple observation. Simple observation can bring great calm. Or use the waiting moment to just rest your mind. You do not need to fill every minute with action. You can simply exist in that pause. Waiting becomes an art when we find the value inside of the time. The value is quietness. The value is reflection. The value is rest. If you treat the pause as valuable, you change your whole feeling about waiting. You are giving yourself a special moment. This moment belongs only to you. So, the next time you must wait, remember this idea. Waiting is not a waste. Waiting is a tool. It is a tool for patience, for focus, and for growth. Embrace the pause. Find value in the pause. It is a time for quiet preparation. Thank you very much for listening to English Podcast for Beginners today. Keep practicing your simple English. Keep trusting your own growth. You are doing a wonderful job. I will talk to you next time. Goodbye for now.